In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include Calendly links in your Gmail emails. We'll walk through this process together step by step so that you can effortlessly schedule meetings, saving both you and your recipients from the back and forth of finding mutually convenient times. Let's begin by heading over to your Gmail inbox. Once you're there, click on the Compose button to start drafting a new email. This will open up a blank email template where you will insert your text and any necessary links. You'll notice that underneath the email body area, there are several icons. If you have the Calendly Chrome extension installed, you'll see a Calendly icon among them. This extension is a crucial component because it streamlines the insertion of your scheduling links directly into the email. Clicking on this Calendly icon will open a small dialog window right inside your email draft. In this window, you have a couple of options. You can either select from your existing event types or set up something fresh. To proceed, click on the event type you wish to include. This might be a standard meeting, a personal consultation, or any other type of event you've organized within Calendly. Clicking on an event type prompts a new option to insert link, which automatically adds the Calendly link for that event type into your email. Alternatively, if your situation requires a more specific arrangement, you might choose to set up a one-off meeting. Click on that option and you'll be guided through picking a date for your meeting. Keep in mind that setting the duration is equally important as it communicates to your invitee how much time to allocate. Once you've set these details, click Next to proceed. Throughout this process, it's important to personalize the settings to suit the context of your meeting. You might want to take a moment to give your event a meaningful name and specify the location if needed. Finally, once everything is set up, click on Share Meeting Link. You'll be presented with two choices. Either copy the link and manually paste it into the email body wherever you see fit, or you can click on an option to add the available times directly into the email. The latter is handy as it showcases your availability succinctly, especially beneficial if the recipient is in a different time zone or if you're coordinating with several people. Once you've inserted whichever option best fits your needs, don't forget to eye all the details once more before hitting send. And there you have it, adding a Calendly link into your Gmail emails is that straightforward. With this capability, you can dramatically reduce the ping pong of messages and swiftly secure meeting slots. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.